All right, today's Sunday, June 21st, 2020, and I cut the 64. So, been working on this here and there the past couple weeks. Start with the front. Did a 1-inch A-arm. I'm going to be posting some pictures with this video, but we did 1-inch A-arm extension at the ears. And then it's got 8-inch cylinders, 2.5-ton pre-cut springs, which give it a good ride height, or good, that's all the way down. Still got plenty of clearance. The exhaust still clears, so I like that. Put the roasters on it. Those are 13x7 series 3 72 spoke road stars, Tornell white walls, which I'm really impressed with the Tornell so far. They've been sitting in the shop here for several weeks and they haven't started browning. I haven't even cleaned them. So I like that. Way better than the Travel Stars and the Mile Stars so far. So we'll see how that works out. But like I say, a 2.5-ton pre-cut, 8-inch cylinders in the front. Took the back seat out, still got to run the ground cable. So it's obviously all the way down. We did narrow the rear end. Well, I didn't. I took it out and my buddy narrowed it. Fine line hydraulics, narrowed it 1 inch on each side. So it's got a disc brake, narrowed 1-inch rear end. It's got a Y-bone that I got off of eBay. And it's also got the 13.7s in the back. So the skirt's clear, pretty good. I didn't put it on this side yet. Everything's just mocked up right now. So on to the setup. So this is a Hilow setup. 4 batteries. They're painted. 4 accumulators. It's got the Delta dump covers that they sell, which look pretty cool. I wanted to do a little upgrade. The rack is removable. It's all bolt-in, so it bolts to the uprights down on the frame, and then the pump bracket also bolts to the battery racks. So the whole thing is removable. I'm going to get it chrome plated here in the next couple weeks. We're going to be Raptoring the trunk, and then I'm going to hardline the returns 1/2 inch and to some bulkheads, some pressures. So just a quick look at these pumps. Like I say, I got them at Hilow. The tanks are Porky's hydraulics that I've had for, I don't know, 7 or 8 years. They're stainless steel. They're pretty cool. It's got the billet motor end caps. Like I say, it's got the dump covers, 4 accumulators that we painted. I'm waiting on some more fittings. I'm going to be dropping down the accumulator like these. So I ordered some more fittings to do that, and I'm waiting on the number 8 JIC so I can do the hard lines, the returns. So like I say, this is a Hilow setup, and I wanted to give him a shout out. I told Mondo I'd give him a shout out on the video because he really worked with me on the price. A lot of competitors, they want to sell a kit, but they don't want to deduct anything off of the kit for things you don't need. So I called Hilow and I told him, I said, I don't need tanks, I don't need tank rods, I don't need backing plates, I don't need return hoses. Can you knock off some of the money? Since I'm not going to be buying those parts, I don't need them. If I got them, they just sit here on the shelf. So he said, yeah. So he deducted money off of that. With that money, I upgraded to the stuff you see. Threw in a free t-shirt. Really good customer service. So I recommend Hilow in El Paso. If anybody's looking for hydraulics, he's been around a long time. So the batteries are painted the same color as the accumulators. And like I say, we're just going to Raptor this thing and get the racks back from chrome and hardline it, and that'll be a wrap for that. So it's really sitting really low. It's all the way down. It's got 12-inch cylinders in the back, coil over with power balls. So it should lock up to clear at least the wheel, maybe the top of the white wall. I don't know. It's got 1-ton pre-cuts in the back. So my buddy with the red rocket was the one that convinced me to do this. So now I guess the car is not for sale, or never really was, but definitely going to keep it now. So bring you guys back once for part 2 of this video, once the install is complete with the chrome racks and all that. Thanks for watching.